After a 5-day long road trip from France, I have arrived here in Albania, in the capital of Tirana, and ready to explore. This will be day 1, and I would like to thank Irvis for that amazing trip. And now I'm on my own to explore the city and see more of Albania. Let's go around, see what to see, taste what to eat, and go on an adventure. See you there. Tirana was founded at 1614 by a Ottoman general, where he built a mosque, a bakery, and a hammam, or a Turkish bath as they call it. And ever since then it has grew into a big city, and in 1920 it became the country's capital. This is the burek, which is an Albanian pastry that is very famous here, and we tried it from here. So I found a quiet spot at the middle of the park, and I bought a Bravo, which is a sour cherry juice. I really like this ones whenever I go to Turkey, and I'm happy that they have it here. And then we will taste the burek that I have bought. It looks like this, and one of this is like a giant Dorito, and one of this is 50 lek, that's half a euro. And this one is cheese, and I bought another one which is tomato. It's freshly baked. Right behind me is the Pyramid of Tirana, which was built on 1988 as a museum dedicated to Enver Hoxha, which was the communist leader of the country. But ever since then it has been renovated, and it was just opened last 2023 on its new version, as a hub for different things for the youth and the students of Tirana. And nowadays it's one of the iconic monuments of the city, and the architecture features a mix of brutalist and modern style of architecture. Behind me is the office of the Prime Minister of Albania, and it is located on the city center, just near the pyramid of Tirana, and the place that we would continue to visit on, which is the museum. I'm on my way there, but I thought I'd show you this Prime Minister house. It's nice. And you can see the mural, which is the remembrance of the communist era of Albania.
Coming from the classical historians, because once we start getting people writing about this area of Balkans, we start to get names, people and tribes, and so these cases are all organised via tribal.
So I found this machine and we're gonna try it. You're gonna have one photo for 100 lek, which is €1. Let's try. Did it work? Yes. Camera. There I am. Oh, it's cute. Love it. We are here at the National Square of Tirana. It's called Scanderbeg Square, which was named after the national hero George Scanderbeg. And it is where you're gonna see the national monuments like the National History Museum, we have the opera, and also the mosque. And everywhere you look, it's just so gigantic. It's very hot right now. I left my watch, but I think it's around 31, 30, but really, really hot, but not humid for Filipinos at least. Oh, look at that building. I don't know if you will be able to see it. It has a face. You see it? Just behind me. That's amazing. Oh, I could imagine a lot of history happening on this specific square. Alright, so we're beginning day 2 of our Albanian adventure. Still here in Tirana. And now I will be going for lunch because we're starting the day a little bit late because I had to work during the first half of the day since it's Friday. Degrees and it's very hot at 2:30 in the afternoon, but there's no choice, we had to walk. But also the best part are two things. Number one, it's not humid, it's quite dry here in Tirana, so even if it's hot you don't sweat as much as you would compared to Barcelona and of course the Philippines. And another thing is the big avenues here, just the ones I'm walking in right now, are lined. Right behind me is Bunkart 2, which is actually a history museum, and it's housed on a real nuclear bunk pit. Under where I'm standing at right now is a museum, and we're going to check it out. Let's go.
Kënga e nënës, muzika Agim Prodani, teksti nga poetja Gimsheu, para jush këngëtari.
Kjo ndodhi edhe në për të tjerë, po sidomos këtë ndodhë, ai sa mbodi bekja nga tjerë. Turmat e palëtive, si të që është tona, ka gëmë të sipër, mbi atë, më të punë të fatë, atë
a lot of people that are selling stuff here at the park near the city center or in the city center. And of course I got a shirt for myself. The reason why there's a lot of people that are selling, a lot of people that are buying, a lot of people that are wearing red shirts is because later there's gonna be a big match between Albania and Serbia, and everybody's going crazy about it. So I'm just lucky that I'm here because everyone seems to be so happy and so excited. And now I got my shirt as well. It's Saturday night here at Tirana in Albania, and this is the evening where the match between Albania and Serbia is gonna happen. And you can see all the people are outside. It's gonna happen in 15 minutes before it starts, and everyone's on the street, everyone's going towards the stadium, and every bar has its own TV or projector that would show the match. And everyone walking is either wearing a red shirt or having a flag, which is super cool, super cute. And there's even a big projector on the city park, so it will be so much fun. But for me, I'm gonna eat because I'm really hungry. So aside from the burek, I noticed that crepes are popular street food here, and I got one with white chocolate inside. I love white chocolate, and we are going to try it, but it's still so hot. But let's see. It's like crepe with white chocolate, but good. So I have just finished my tour inside the House of Leaves Museum. It's a very beautiful. It is housed on a very historical building which was known to be the House of Leaves, which is the central place for surveillance during the communist era of Albania, which ended just very recently in the 1990 or 1991. And we're not allowed to film inside, so I just enjoyed it myself. But it was a very good experience, and you will be able to learn a lot, and at the same time you would get to understand why Albanians are the way they are today, especially in behavior and in the way they see people due to the history that happened to them, which was just very recently. And it's very nice. I really recommend you to visit this one. I've seen 3 museums here in Tirana throughout my 4 days of stay, and I would say this is my favorite. Yes, you have to visit House of Leaves. It's in the center of Tirana.
Hindi.
If you come to Albania, especially here in Tirana, I would definitely recommend the Airbnb place that I have stayed at. It's a Frim's place and you can find them on Airbnb. I will link their phone number on this description for this episode. And really, the thing that I'm saying this is not just because it's very central and it's a very good location here in Tirana. It's very quiet, very safe, but also not so far from the city. It's in the city center and it's not so far from where the bars, the shops, everything is. Even the square at the center is just a 10-minute walk. And most of all, their place is so beautiful. The one I stayed at is super nice. And they have, I think, 2 other more apartments that are available for rent. And that's definitely what I will try when I come back again to Tirana. And I would like to say a special hi to Noel, the son of Alfredim. That was very much helpful for me throughout the stay. Whenever I needed something, when I needed to leave my bags for a few hours so that I could go around before my taxi to the airport is, he was very helpful. So, hi Noel. Just as they always say, those who forget history is bound to repeat itself. And here in Albania, with everything that happened just recently, for sure, they remember each and every part of it. From Tirana, Albania, this is Stevenson. Thank you for watching another episode of Steven's Q, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye-bye.